Tractor Bob is back from the 2024 Bad Boy Dealer Convention in beautiful San Antonio, Texas, and Bad Boy unveiled some huge announcements. From big updates and improvements to entirely new tractors and mowers that you haven't seen before, some of which have already rolled out onto dealers' lots. To support this channel, like, subscribe, comment, and visit tractorbob.com. Now let's dive in. In the early summer of 2024, Bad Boy released their first all-electric zero-turn mower, the Magnum E. In 2025, you should expect to see these mowers in more dealers across the country. If you're someone considering an electric lawnmower, the Magnum E provides great standard features, plenty of extra storage space, and a fabricated 42-inch mowing deck. I've already done an in-depth review on this mower, so check it out if you're interested in a solid sit-down mower designed for tight areas and smaller lawns. In 2025, you can expect to find a lot of great upgrades on the residential line of Bad Boy Zero Turns. When it comes to the mowing decks on the residential mowers, they are all getting a new Warner clutch and idler bracket assembly, which will help improve the mower belt lifespan. Another great upgrade on most of the residential mowers is the sloped lead edge, which will provide a slight improvement in cut quality compared to the 90-degree lead edge on the 2024 residential Bad Boy mowers. On the mowing deck, we are also getting stomp pads for stepping on and off the mower. Basically, it's just a grip tape material with a graphic that indicates the cutting size as well. The MZ Magnum in 2025 will have a 60-inch cutting option as well, which will come in at a really nice price. It will likely be one of the least expensive 60-inch zero turns you'll find on the market. For the MZ Rambler, Bad Boy is bringing back the twin cylinder option. The single cylinder engine will still be available as well. The residential mowers are also getting new rubber mats on the floorboard with an updated graphic. Even the control arms in 2025 are getting upgrades. Instead of smaller, more round control arms, the grips are now more square and beefy for a better grip while mowing. New seat designs will be on most of the residential mowers. The seat shape on the ZT Avenger is even changing slightly to hug the body a bit better than before. The last two main aesthetic changes is the rear engine cover, which has a slightly more aggressive design, along with the new tank designs, which are a bit more boxy than before. And the ZT Avenger will even come equipped with standard LED tank lights. If that wasn't enough already, all the residential mowers are getting Reaper tires for improved traction and minimizing ruts while turning. So yeah, there are a ton of new upgrades on the residential mowers in 2025. The more entry to mid-level commercial mowers, namely the ZT Elite, Maverick, and Maverick HD, are staying very similar to years past. The mowing decks are still the same, however they are getting a new idler bracket assembly and Warner clutch, and again, that'll just help improve the belt lifespan on your mower. Now, 2025 is almost here, and we are starting to see the new line of professional zero-turn mowers roll out. The Rebel and Revolt X are pretty much the same as last year. However, you'll now be able to order the Revolt X with or without tweels. The tweels are basically airless tires, which come with a lot of benefits, like never going flat. I've covered the Rebel and Rebel X in depth recently, so make sure to check that video out if you want to learn more about this professional grade mower. This thing is super nice. When you order with the tweels, it ends up being a really great price when you consider how well this thing will perform on job sites or larger acreage. The next level up from the Rebel is the Rogue, and in 2025 we are getting a new digital display on select Rogue models, a new Vanguard 40 horsepower engine option, and Kawasaki FX1000 EFI engine option. And this is yet another video that I've covered in depth recently, so check that video out, linked in the description down below. The Revolt has been Bad Boy's commercial stand-on mower for several years now. In 2023, Bad Boy created the Revolt SD, which was a residential, more affordable version of the original Revolt. And now, in 2025, Bad Boy is releasing the Revolt X, which is basically a more extreme version of the Revolt. And the upgrades and features on this new X model are pretty sick. To start, you can get optional dual rear tires, which will allow this mower to eat hills for breakfast. We only got a quick glimpse of this dually SKU at the Bad Boy dealer convention, so I wasn't able to get a ton of footage, but Tractor Bob ordered 3, so we will definitely have an in-depth review on this machine in 2025. I would not be surprised if it gave the Alto's TSX 561 a run for its money when it comes to performance on hills. Now, if the dual rear tires don't suit you, you can also go with Tweels for your rear tires on the Revolt X. Tweels are great because you basically won't have to worry about flat tires, but they also can improve cut quality and hill performance because of a wider footprint that's coming in contact with the ground, along with better shock dampening capabilities, decreasing the bounce of the mower. Aside from rear tires, there are several other upgrades we can expect to find on the Revolt X models. First, stomp pads on both sides for handling steep slopes. You get a huge 13-gallon gas tank, massive transaxles, and 40 horsepower engine option. In addition, the Revolt X will have an upgraded zero gravity battery, which allows the battery to jumpstart itself in case it goes dead. You'll be able to get a 54-inch, 61-inch, or a whopping 72-inch cut on the X models. Plus, no flat front tires, a 3-gauge solid steel mowing deck, and a top speed of 13 miles per hour. With residential, commercial, and now professional versions of the Revolt, there are plenty of SKUs to choose from, whether you need a stand-on with a 32-inch cut for small lawns or a 72-inch cut designed for larger properties and steep slopes. Bad Boy has had a lot of success in the tractor space over the past few years since they announced their first tractors in 2021. They initially released a wide array of models ranging from subcompact to compact. Now in 2025, they are announcing their biggest tractor yet, the 50 series, which will come in either a 48 horsepower or 55 horsepower diesel option, namely the 5045 and 5055. This new tractor comes jam-packed with features you can select from a cab or open station. There is an optional backhoe as well. The tractor will come in 2 transmission types, a shuttle shift or hydrostatic with 4 ranges, 4-wheel drive, cruise control, locking differential, all that good stuff. You'll also get standard rear remotes on the 50 series. All around, this tractor has really great standard features. You do get a skid steer front attachment style, and the loader lift capacity is a solid 2,700 pounds. The leather seats on this tractor really stand out. It's got a high back, armrests, suspension, super nice stitching, plus the seat is heated as well. The controls are all really well placed. You even get side view mirrors on the open station. The cab also has mirrors, wipers, work lights, and an Alpine stereo system. And all around, the cab looks and feels very premium. One other important feature is the independent PTO that allows you to easily turn attachments on and off so you won't have to worry about the PTO getting stuck or jammed. These tractors are currently for sale and have made it on the lots of many dealers across the country, including Tractor Bob's. So if you're looking for a nice warm cab tractor with a heated seat this winter, Bad Boy's offering some great low rate financing on these tractors, which your dealer should also provide. Bad Boy attachments have become known for being extremely durable while also coming in at a reasonable price. In 2025, they will have an all-new 12-foot flex wing mower, which you will be able to run behind their new 50 series tractors. The flex wing is covered in orange and matte black powder coating like all the other Bad Boy attachments. The deck is solid steel. It's got an Omni gearbox, 2-inch cutting capacity. It's rated for PTOs between 35 and 60 horsepower. The rear wheels are 21 by 7 inches and they are filled with foam and super heavy duty. The whole thing weighs just under 3,000 pounds. Plus you get a 5-year warranty. So if you're looking for a 12-foot flex wing mower at a great price, definitely check out this one from Bad Boy. Now, I think that's most of the new stuff that you can expect from Bad Boy in 2025. Now they do have some new hand tools and upgrades to existing hand tools, so if you want to learn more about those, you can give us a call at Tractor Bob's or visit Bad Boy's website. Thank you so much for your time. To support this channel, like, subscribe, comment, and visit tractorbob.com. See you in the next one.